Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Subaru Solterra software through MySubaru Connect, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update the software on your Subaru Solterra through MySubaru Connect, begin by ensuring your vehicle is parked in a safe location. Make sure your Subaru Solterra is turned on. Open the MySubaru app on your smartphone. Log in with your registered MySubaru account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Vehicle section in the app. Select your Subaru Solterra from the list of vehicles. Look for the Software Update option within the vehicle settings. If an update is available, tap on the Update button. Follow the prompts to begin the software update process. Ensure your vehicle remains on and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network during the update. It may take several minutes for the update to complete. Do not turn off your vehicle during this time. Once the update is successful, you will receive a notification on the MySubaru app. Verify that the software version displayed is the latest one available. After confirming the update, you can exit the app. Your Subaru Solterra is now equipped with the latest software enhancements. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app or contact customer support. This completes the process of updating your Subaru Solterra software through MySubaru Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.